Yo guys, this is Bartanax, and I'm getting kind of sick of dual-wielding these two Recon shotguns. What do you say we make it more interesting and turn them into a shotgun with a double-barrel shotgun with the blade on the end? Here's what you'll need. Two Recon shotguns, and I'm sure you know how to build them just by looking at them because they're so simple. One of those things that you use to connect the beams together on, Technic pieces, a nearly undescribable Technic piece, a dagger, and one of those Technic pieces that are just a little longer than the shortest ones. Alright, you just built yourself a double-barreled Recon shotgun with a blade at the end. Let's try it out on someone. Hey, Shadow! Play him off, Flugelhorn Feline.